Today I'm talking about the best, I know this may sound weird, hair tools, hair products for bald guys. If you shave your head, if you are looking for tools that you can utilize, then I have the best ones for you. And these are all tools that I have been using not only on myself, but on clients for many, many years. And I have a brand new one that literally is going to be life-changing. And I'll be talking about that as the last product. But the first product I'm going to talk about, and all of these products, these aren't mine, but the link to where you can purchase them on Amazon is in the description. And yes, it's my Amazon affiliate link, but I literally make like pennies on any sort of purchases. But these are just products that I suggest, and they're on my Amazon store, which is where I purchase them. The first one, excuse me, and this right here, this is the one blade, the Philips Norelco one blade. This tool right here literally is game changing. If you're, cutting your hair at home, or you're doing all your grooming yourself, and you maybe want something that's gonna have a very close shave, not the traditional electric shaver just for your head. You may not want to use a straight razor or a trimmer. This is the tool that I have been using for years on my clients and myself. I saw this when they first debuted it a number of years ago, and I was like, what even is that? So this is what I use it for. I use it for if I'm kind of outlining this here. It's great for outlining this type of work, right? You're going down like this. You want to get those hairs in through here. Amazing. Also the neck, you want to get your neck, you want to get down into here without getting any any razor burn or things like that. This is an amazing on-the-go electric shaver. A must-have. This is game-changing and life-changing for anyone. You can do it on your arms, your leg, whatever, okay? This is it right here, the Norelco one blade. I've been using this for a long time. Next is, especially if you are someone who cuts hair at home on your family members, maybe on yourself, or you do a lot of your lining up on yourself. This right here, this is the Andy Slimline. This is a professional trimmer. This is what a lot of barbers use. This is what a lot of professionals use. This is a professional tool. So it is a bit sharp. Actually, it's very sharp here, the blades. So if you don't know how to utilize this properly, there's a chance that, yes, you may nick yourself or see some red marks if you're not utilizing it properly. If you've gone to the barber and they're using something like this on you and they got you, it's gonna happen if not utilizing it properly, maybe on the wrong angle or something. This is great for really detailing like the hairs above the lip here. You're kind of gonna go in this way. If you want to get some edging, you want to trim around the ear, the neck hairs, stuff like that. Just be careful when you're going down against the grain. You may get scratch marks because it is so sharp. That's where something like this comes in handy. But this is literally a necessary tool for somebody if you are shaving your head or you're doing some detail work and you want to really just get around the ears, you want to trim the ear hairs, things like that. This is the Andis right here. Once again, in my Amazon affiliate link down below. Now the last product, and I'm going to do a live demonstration. This product was recommended to me by a friend of mine named Manny who owns a barber shop. And he goes, I see a lot of your photos, the head, everyone says, oh, your head, look at it, it's radiating, it's blinding sometimes, right? Depends on the light, but sometimes it gets a bit shiny, okay? I'm a natural blonde. When I was a baby, I had like platinum blonde hair. So, I have a lot of blonde peach fuzz and you see the scalp. So this right here, this is zero shine. This is, I guess, version 2.0. This is all the Amazon sticker barcode on it. But it's called Zero Shine 2.0 and it's in the description. This is ego changing, life changing. Like the way you look in photographs and in general, the most amazing, I wish I discovered this years ago, and I'm gonna demonstrate. So Literally, it's loaded with mostly natural ingredients. It does have tea tree in it, so you may feel a little bit of like light tingling sensation, but it's loaded with natural ingredients. This is it right here. So you can see it's, you know, pretty much an all natural product here. Now, you don't need a whole ton of it, but what it does is it takes away the shine from your head. If you're watching this video right now, you know somebody, a family member, a spouse, somebody who has a bald head and their head looks like the sun. It's radiating, it's blinding how shiny it is. Get this for them as a gift. I'm telling you right now. So you take a scoop. You don't need a whole lot. Just take a scoop like this. And I'm going to demonstrate this so you can see the shine. Also, I have a bright light on top, but you can see it's fairly shiny even with the light, okay? So I'm going to take this, work it through even the fingers like so. Okay, it's on, it's ready to go. Watch this. I'm working this in, and literally, aside from it being a bright light, look how much more matte my head is. I even go on the forehead, I even sometimes go on the nose here, but look at the difference. All right, look at the difference. Aside from, like I mentioned, it's a bright light over my head, but it's not a glowing, shiny, radiating, you know. You can even go in a little bit more if you want. I just use little scoops like this. And look, I'm telling you right now, this is mind-blowing how much difference it makes. You could even see right here. I'm looking in the monitor while I do this. I am so beyond stoked and excited. Zero shine right here. It's a must-have if you, again, have a very shiny head. Now, you see this huge bright light, even me standing under it. The shine, it's reflecting, but the shine, zero shine, look at it. Right? Just rub it on your head, all over. Again, forehead if you want, and then you can wash your hands after if you want, but it's loaded with natural, really good ingredients. Ego changing. I feel 10 times more confident because of this. If you have even again, you know somebody, it's you yourself, it's a friend, it's a loved one, a spouse, whoever it is, this is going to be game changing, and it's pretty much all natural. That's what I love about it. Just work it on, and you're gonna help eliminate that really shiny, glossy like look from your head, and that's it. So once again, the link to those products on my Amazon store is right in the description below. If you're interested in purchasing any of my hair products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. If you're gonna get this, let me know in the comments below, or any of these tools I used. This one especially, and this. Are they the cheapest? No, they're not super cheap, but they're ego changing. They're life changing. You'll feel incredible having these tools. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon.